following message is issued at the request of the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office. The Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office have issued a statewide Amber Alert for the whole of Florida, to remain in effect until further notice. The alert is for Ryan Matthew Scott, a 6-year-old white male with blonde hair and blue eyes, approximately 3 feet 8 inches tall. He was wearing a white t-shirt, blue denim dungarees and white trainers. The suspect is Anthony Thomas Scott, a 31-year-old white male, 6 feet 2 inches tall, with black hair, a mustache and a limp on his left side. The suspect is the child's father, and the child is the subject of a custody order. They are believed to be traveling in a navy blue 2009 Chevrolet Camaro Concept. It is believed they are heading for the suspect's registered address in Tampa, to the suspect's parents' registered address in Tampa, or to an unknown location in the state of Florida. The suspect has a history of violence in the past, and you are advised not to approach this vehicle if you see it. If you should see the child, suspect, or the vehicle, please call Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office immediately, on 305-471-1780.